All right, DTR album launch inside rather launch and conference center. One Naira, the sexiest voice. 1 Naira.
Yo.
We're happy to have you on a DTR album launch.
Yeah.
A general assessment about you, ma. I'm mentioning.
Oh yeah. So far so good. I mean, Nirubun cannot support you and think to border man. So yeah, I'm very very happy. I'm very very supportive. I'm very happy that Shaka they love hearing that.
Okay, how about 1 Naira? I mean, Team Maza. What they expected from you?
Oh yeah. No, we are coming. You know how we do it. So Tuku kana wanna fire Katizan kana man.
2024. Can we promise us a show or an album?
Oh, of course. 2024 wanna. Man, we tipun buy album. I hope and pray album. Man, you know. So I'm sure that after I think we put tuna again.
Okay.
I'm sure.
Okay. All right. That is 1 Naira for us. We are happy to have you pass through our show on Play Music Time. Thank you very much for your time. God bless you. Okay.
Like it to the tomb, because I'm born to heaven. Come on, how?